Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, and today we're going to uncrate the Antigravity MicroStart SPORT. Antigravity is one of our favorite lithium brands here at Speed Addicts. We've sold it for a number of years. They are a reputable company based out of here in SoCal, not far from us. We sell not only their replacement batteries for the vehicles, like lithium batteries for motorcycles, they also make car ones that we don't sell, but we also sell their MicroStart units. These are jump starters. So if you're in a pinch and you need to start up a dead battery, a vehicle with a dead battery, you're ready to rock, this XP Sport will start anything from a V6 down, so a 4-liter V6 and down. That'd be snowmobiles, motorcycles, watercraft, you name it. This is their smallest unit. So it packs a punch for what you're getting here. It's 750 milliamps of capacity, and it'll go up to 200 amps peak output to start that dead vehicle. They also make an XP3, XP1, an XP10, an XP10 HD. That's the big daddy. That'll start diesels and stuff. The bigger ones will also have 12 volt and 19 volt to run laptops, whereas this only has a 5 volt accessory that will power your smaller consumer electronics like phones, tablets, that sort of stuff, right? If you need a little bit of extra juice. It is very light. This thing's about 9 ounces. It'll fit in your back pocket, in your backpack. You know, just a good emergency option you could keep in your vehicle, RV, or just in your saddlebags. So let's check out the XP Sport and see what they're bringing to the table here. You get a cool flashlight. We always like cool flashlights, right, guys? You hit that once, you get the solid light. You get a flasher or an SOS. Oh, there's your hazard, and then you get a red flash. So pretty cool. Nice to have a light if you're going to have a battery. Let's open up this beautiful carrying case. Did I mention you're getting all of this for an MSRP of $99? You can find it a little bit cheaper at Speed Addicts usually. Head over to Speed Addicts to buy all your lithium micro-starts and batteries for your vehicle. These are your alligator clamps. We put these on the terminals or our victim to jumpstart. And let's open this up here. So this plugs in very easily. If I can get this little flap out of the way. All right, there we go. All right, you are now ready to jumpstart. The other function, like I said, is 5 volt accessory power to a number of different adapters they include here. This USB plugs in right here. Whoops. And we get USB-C, we get iPhone, we get micro USB, all included here in your package. What they're not including is a wall charger. So they give you no way to charge this. That is kind of lame, but I think they assume we all have a bunch of wall micro USB micros to charge it. So you plug that in right there. You can either do that with a cigarette lighter adapter or just in your wall at home and charge this thing up in about 5 hours. You're ready to go on a full charge. Antigravity is standing behind this with a 1-year warranty. They do require you to register within 30 days of purchase to honor that 1-year warranty. So make sure you do that after you purchase this thing at Speed Addicts. That is the Antigravity XP Sport Microcharger. We appreciate you guys watching today. We'll see you next time to find out what's in the crate, and don't forget to subscribe.